family? I'll admit, I've been holding out. There's a platform that I have been using for years to earn a passive income, and I've never spoken about it here on this channel.
Girl, really?
Hopefully you forgive me when I tell you how you can make money on Pinterest. Yes, I said Pinterest. I'm not talking about what you're probably thinking about when I mention Pinterest. You're probably thinking more along the lines of posting recipes or home decor. No. I do not need to post about these things. I am no Martha Stewart. I actually post things within my own niche, and I earn a passive income for doing it. So I'm gonna spill the tea of how you can make money with Pinterest. But first, you know what you gotta do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like learning new ways of making money. And you could do that by hitting the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, let me know in the comments that you did so I can say, hey. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video of how to make money on Pinterest step by step. Let's go. For those of you that are new here, my name is Nikki, and on this channel, I share ways to get you connected with income and also some ways of saving money as well. And the things that I talk about on this channel, I really do. That's why it's important for me to share how I'm making money on Pinterest. Now, a lot of you may not realize, but Pinterest is not a social media platform. Pinterest is actually a search engine. There are a lot of people on there looking for ways to solve problems or make things easier for themselves. And the crazy part is there are a lot of people that are not aware of the power of Pinterest and the fact that you can reach so many people at once. And like many of you, I've been hustling hard on social media, trying to crack the code to monetization. I've danced on Instagram, joked on TikTok, and it felt like I was on a hamster wheel, that I wasn't getting anywhere. And don't get me wrong, I still do use those platforms, but they are secondary to the platform Pinterest. Now, how Pinterest ties into this is I actually create pins. Pins are vertical images, and a lot of people don't realize that this also includes video. Pinterest has vertical video. In order to start making money on Pinterest, you have to know what Pinterest looks like. So this is the smaller of my two Pinterest pages for my brand Nikki For Real, where I have more lifestyle content over there. And I just wanted to show you what pins are for those of you that are not familiar. Like I said, it's not just the lifestyle content. I'm going to show you my other page in just a second, just to show you the night and day of it. What these are called boards, basically like a category. So I have boards on various things I found on Amazon, money saving tips, fashion, nails, that kind of stuff. Just to give you an idea, I know this one would have more than one type of thing in here. So as you can see up here, the ones with the time on them will show you these are videos. So some of these are me and some of these aren't. And I actually just uploaded this like yesterday, and I'm just showing people these sunglasses. So if they click on the link, boom, it will take them over to the website that I have linked to the pin. Now on the flip side, we have Nikki Connected. I am a verified merchant, also a Pinterest creator where I can go live on Pinterest as well because I have a little clout over here on Pinterest, okay? When I go live on Pinterest, I can go live for 30 minutes and there's nobody else that can go live at that time. The thing is, I have way more pins over here, and I pin a lot of my stuff, a lot of other people's things, but I wanted you to see the difference. Once you do click on a pin, it will basically take you down the rabbit hole, helping you find more things that you are interested in that are similar topics to what you clicked on. Now let's answer the main question. How do I make money on Pinterest? Well, it's all about leveraging a couple of different things that I'm going to share with you. And the first thing is affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's when you suggest a product or a service to people and you can earn a commission for doing that. And from experience, they will push your videos harder than they will your static pins. So what a static pin is, a still image versus a video pin, which includes video or motion graphics. And Pinterest is not as boxed in as a lot of people think that they are. There are creators on Pinterest with a variety of niches and interests. So if you go on my Pinterest page, you'll see a lot of content about making money, about passive income, about how to earn free gift cards, the kind of stuff that you see over here on YouTube, but those pins are linked to a web address. That web address normally is my blog. So for example, I might make a pin about how to make money on Swagbucks. And if somebody clicks that image, it will take them over to my blog post that I have dedicated to how to make money on Swagbucks. So now they can read more about it. So when people go over to my blog and they learn about Swagbucks and are like, oh, I want to sign up, they can click the affiliate link in that post, and that way I earn a commission for having sent them over to Swagbucks. Or they might even go over to that blog post and decide,
let me poke around a bit and check out the other things that she has available.
They might come across one of my courses and decide to purchase a course from me through my blog, all from being sent over from Pinterest. Now, I know some of you are like, well, I don't have a blog. Like, what do I do? If you do want a blog, there's a platform that I use. It's called Bluehost. It's super affordable. You can have a blog for as little as $2.99 a month. So I will link Bluehost down below if you're interested in starting a blog. And if you are one of those people, I would appreciate it if you let me know in the comments, because I do want to talk about blogging and making money with blogging. So it would be helpful if I know that you're actually interested in that, so I can start creating that content for you. But if you don't have a blog and you don't want one, another option would be to send people over from Pinterest to one of your affiliate links. So to do that, you would have to sign up for an affiliate program. And there are so many awesome affiliate programs out there, including Amazon affiliates, LTK, Brand Cycle. Those are some of the most popular. And these platforms can easily be used to create links so that when people click on them and they make a purchase, then you will earn a commission for having sent them over there. So for example, I bought this sweatsuit from Nordstrom. You can't really see it here, but I bought this sweatsuit from Nordstrom. Boom, boom, boom. I love it. So I'm going to share an affiliate link so that people can purchase this outfit, and I can earn a commission for having sent them over to Nordstrom's website to purchase the outfit. Now, I know affiliate marketing can be confusing when you're first signing up. That's why I created the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, where I tell you the best platforms to sign up with as an affiliate marketer, some of the rules and regulations, laws around affiliate marketing. And I just added a new section in that masterclass telling you the laziest way that you can make money on Pinterest. So if you want to sign up for the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, I will link it down below, and it does include lifetime access, okay? So if you haven't signed up for Pinterest yet, this video is your message to make sure you get your behind over to Pinterest and sign up, because that platform could be earning you so much more money, and you can earn it passively because people can be clicking on those links while you are asleep. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been on Pinterest? Were any of these things that I mentioned in this video new to you? Do you already use Pinterest, and what do you use it for? We could discuss all of this in the comments below, but I have one little favor to ask, and that is, if any of this was helpful for you, if you could give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video, because YouTube keeps playing games with my analytics and my money, and we can't have that. I need to get in front of more people and be able to help you guys out to help you earn a passive income. And speaking of passive income, if you are interested in other ways of earning a passive income, I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let